This will be a long video. Make sure you are ready for it. Hello guys, welcome back. Thank you. Today we will talk about footprints. Some videos I recorded before, it was some of my previous videos. We are back. Firstly, or some points of this video will be, firstly I will show you how to connect to NinjaTrader and how to get an demo account. Secondly, I will show you some examples of some trades and trading with footprint with my exact strategy. So I will tell you everything and I will show you, and also we will see what I can also show you, some tips or something like that. We will see, but mainly these 2 points I want to show you. So firstly, you have NinjaTrader, you have footprints. I have it on my second computer, so just you can see NinjaTrader. I'm active, I have workspace, I have my accounts, and here you have configure. I personally use FXCM broker to connect it. So my FXCM, you will receive this, some kind of login and some password. You just type it, and these are the settings. So you just have demo, historical, because you need data, and this I don't know what it is. But I will show it to you here. So FXCM demo, and you go here, and it's basically that you just type your email. Here you have try demo. Here you get your email, here your country, your mobile phone, and it will automatically generate you this kind of login. You have this, some kind of username and 5 types of password, and you just put it. It should be or it should work for 30 days, and after you have to do this process again. So I think it's only for 30 days or something like this, so I also do it. I personally use FXCM because it's quite similar to, yes, I also use it on FXCM on TradingView, so I want to have it connected. So yes, this is the first point. Second point, I have a real example of a trade, so let's get straight into it. We are on a Euro JPY on 15 minute. You can see that overall we are bearish. We changed, sorry, here we were bullish. We changed character, and now we are making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and these things. So on a 1 hour time frame we can see this big push. We have this candle, it cost, it's the previous candle when you are in a bearish trend, so it's the opposite candle, and this is what caused it basically. So I mark it up, I move on the 15 minute time frame. I just refine it because we can have just like a big zone, and you don't want to make mistakes, so you want to specify it, and you want to refine to be really precise. And now I will play just the price. It touches our 50%. Maybe I will just go here. I enter on a 1 minute time frame, so I just in my supply zone I wait until the price touches my 50%. Here you can see it, we are in a 50%. Now we go on a footprint chart, it's here, I close this and you can see the time 10:30. It's when we crossed the 50%. We go here, we look for 10:30, but on the Ninja Trader there is +1 minute, so this is like our 10:30. You can see this big candle, here we have small bearish, big candle, small bearish, so this is our candle where we are. So basically when I trade, so sorry, when I trade I usually looked at a big, strong, heavy, nice, beautiful red candle in a sell model, red candle, and I want to see negative delta, like really negative delta. This purple or magenta color has to appear, and also combined with exhaustion print in one candle. So we have these two conditions. You can see this yellow box, it's exhaustion print. It means that buyers don't want to buy, they don't have power, they just can't. There are just 4 buyers, and this means last buyer bought. So we are going to be bearish now. Also you can see that we have imbalances. This is a big pressure. We have 5 imbalances, which is quite a lot in one candle. And also you can see that the volume is also quite big in the comparison with other candles. You can see that these candles have you have bearish candle 285. Yes, these things like average numbers, and here boom, 383, almost 400 of traded volume. So this is a strong candle. In my strategy, when this beautiful candle appears, we enter from the 50% of this candle. Also this I am looking very beautiful trapped traders, trapped buyers. Here you can see 10 lots traded on this price in the bearish candle, combined with big delta, big volume, exhaustion print. They are trapped. It means they bought because they thought it will go up, but it won't. So their stop loss would be probably hit very soon. So they have to go out of these positions and they have to sell. So 10:33 we have on Ninja Trader, on footprints in TradingView it will be 10:32. Just look at it, 10:32. We mark up this whole candle, we enter from 50%. We don't look at change of character or any other confluence. I just enter from 50%. Basically I want to enter 2.5 pips and more. You can also enter if you have 0.5, but it's for manual trading. And when you set it on MetaTrader, you can't, or I think, or in my case, it doesn't work. I think it wouldn't work in your case also, but I'm just telling. You have to put a stop loss at least 2 pips. So here, if you have, for example, 0.8 pips, so you enter here at this level and you can't place a stop loss. You have to close it manually. So you are burning your own money manually, not a stop loss. So be aware. On the other hand, I test my own strategy using a Wyckoff method, and I have like 0.5, 0.8 pip stop losses. So it's a different strategy. So, and I will talk about it, I will make a video about it, but just be careful with this, because it's because the stop loss can save your account. So back to the strategy, we enter from here where to put also stop loss above this last high. You can also give it some breathing room if you want to be just extra safe. I am really aggressive, so I just put it like 1, 2, max 3, 0.3 pips. So something like this, I would go for 2.8. What I do, at least 5 RR. You can also, or what I do, I just draw this line for my first TP. I want to target also for 10 risk to reward ratio, at least like if you want to pass your challenge. So it will be here, but here we have a low, so we can target here. You have 12%, but basically I target on 15 minutes. I will just extend it so you can see clearly. So we have a demand zone right here, so we just put it and drag it. Also, what we want to target, or what I target using the Wyckoff, what I'm testing, also 1 hour and 4 hour zones. So we will just look at the left. I just draw a line here. So yes, I already, so you can see that we have a line here. So it's also this this demand zone, but I also watched at this this demand zone. If you don't know which demand zone, we can discuss, it's discutable. I also use fixed this volume profile that you drag it. I use it like a Fibonacci. It will tell you this red line where the most money was traded, where the most volume was traded. It's it tells you that it's here. I don't really see goods supply goods demand zone, so it's this or this. We can target for 2 of them. Here you can see that we have already a line. I want to target this 1 hour. We will see, or I know the result, but you will see what it will do. So just if we just play price, I reset it. If we just play price, we are in the trade. And now what is really nice, it made a change of character. So this is nice confirmation. You can be like safe, or you can be just okay. Also it retested because you have an small order block right here, and I will maybe skip it, or I will go for 4 or 5 minutes. That yes, that is faster, and it will, or it should arrive to the demand zone. I don't know, maybe it will go back. Yeah, so here we are really close to it, and so we are still in the trade. Yes, so we hit our take profit. Here we started. We could, yes, this was after 12 hours, but the official take profit was hit 21 hours. It was during 21 hours, so it's up to you how long you are able to hold it, or where you put your stop loss, because if you move your stop loss, for example, right here, so you could be stopped, you have a nice 20%, it's really nice, so you will be safe. But if you just hold it and you just put your stop loss here to break even, it's also a solution and you have clear 30%, but I would be a little bit I would just move my stop loss, because when you have 20% and the price goes to your stop loss, you don't want to lose these 20%. So really take at least something than to lose the position. So move your stop loss. So we have this trade, also another trade. It's not so good, but also I will show you. It's in this scenario. I just look at it also with this footprints. Why we wanted to enter in this scenario? It's because we have this low, we are bearish, and this candle was lower than this low, and it closes below, so we have a valid break of structure. I will just put it here. We have this bar, it's really a big zone, so I will show it to you, but I will refine it on 5 minutes. So just this won't be a perfect example, this wouldn't even be an example, because we don't have a confirmed break of structure or some like change of character. Just take this only as like some educational advice or something like this. We just look for trades, look for setups, but we in real entries, in real trading, we wouldn't, or personally I wouldn't enter this trade. I want just to show it to you. So in this case we have a nice order block. Also we are like bearish, but this is not so good, but the price went to the 50%. When it goes to 50%, we want to go to the footprints on 1 minute. You can see we are on 11:21. We have, or this is like really, yes, 11:21. I will just show it to you, that 11:21. We have a nice delta here and quite nice candle, but you don't have an exhaustion print. So this candle is nice, but we don't have exhaustion print. We have 9 buyers here. You don't want to trade it because our condition is not met, and it's like a lot, 9 buyers, so you want to, I have 4 buyers maximum, so we do not take the trade and we just wait. I think, yes, maybe that was the problem, why I wouldn't trade it, because on 15 minutes, just imagine you will take this, you can see that even it wouldn't go to the 50%, but when I look at it, so I saw here on 2037, I will just show you because it's a horrible trade. I'll just show it to you, just you know. We have a nice candle with beautiful POC. In a bearish scenario, you want to have the POC where the most money is traded. You want to have it here because it pushes and it goes down. So you want to have it in the start. You have one lot traded, only one buyer. Also, we have 35 ratio. It means that the volume is stopping, and it's also like a confirmation of exhaustion. You have a nice delta, so you enter here at the 50%, stop loss above here. I will just show you. It's this candle. We place sell position from 50%. You can go above here. I would personally go this way. You can also this way. It's really a precise entry. You will be a legend if you take this trade, but it's aggressive and risky, and be aware of your spreads or if you're a broker, so just be careful, but you are going to be a legend if you take these trades. I would go this way, 3.1 pip stop loss, where we are targeting on a 15 minute, so it's this demand zone. Also this is 18%. We have also this, and as I mentioned, what about the 1 hour? We are in this trade, we are in this trade. If, I repeat, if we take this trade and we hold it until this 1 hour zone, we get from this trade 60%. From this scary not beautiful trade, we get 40%, but this is an imaginary scenario. This trade, just don't look at it. I wanted to show you because these scenarios, it's like rare, I would say, because you have to meet two conditions: a big delta and exhaustion print. It's like rare, I would say. In one candle. So I just wanted to show it to you. In combine we have 60 and 40%, but 40 I will delete this because this is like a horrible example, so ignore it. If we hold it, this is a relevant trade, so if we hold it, so we have to hold it 1 day, almost 2 days, 1 day and 20 hours. So it would be a swing trade. You can also see that it happened Tuesday at 11 or 10 o'clock. So in my time in Europe, so for me this is affordable. I could trade it. It's up to you, or I don't know if you can. I think if you can also trade it if you are from Asia, like India, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, or something like this. I think you can trade it. It happened during the London session, so if you are interested in these sessions, so you could trade it. And as I said, it's a swing trade. So you just hold it like almost 2 days, but 60% is solid. So in my white coffee, this is I would say normal, because I catch like 30 RR, it's normal. 60 is also okay, but also I catch 100. Also I catch 2 times 200 risk to reward ratio. I will say to you, I would say it's rare, but it's because you have really tight stop losses. You have like 0.5, 0.8, 1 pip stop losses, and you enter on 1 minute and you target on 1 hour. But I will make a video and I will tell you everything about it. I have to just finish my back test because I have 1 month of data from my replays, so I will make a video and maybe more videos because it's really complicated. I had one comment, and one guy or one fan asked me what is a relevant time frame for footprints, and I say that 1 minute is most relevant because this is precise. You can see all these numbers or these lots contract traded, but also when you want to help, we can go for example on 15 minute, and if you see exhaustion print, and it's for me like a confirmation on 5 minute or 15 minute, so it's also even better when on 50 minute there is an exhaustion print or a delta, but mostly exhaustion print, so it means that no one wants to, for example, buy anymore. Let's just load it. Wait with me, please, and I will show it to you. It means that no one in a sell model, no one wants to buy anymore. In the 50 minute, it's quite like a big time frame for footprints. For footprints, it's a big time frame. So it's like a confirmation, and then you want to look for your entries based on your strategy. If you use or don't use footprints, it's up to you. Then you can enter or not. We are back with the footprints on the 50-minute time frame. So when you go on this higher time frame, first what you will see is this. This is really, you don't want to see this, so you have to extend this so you can see something. What I recommend you to do, you go to sorry, I think indicators or data series, something like this. I think indicators and the order flow. You go and you go down here. All my settings are on my Discord, so or I showed you in the last or previous footprint video, but you want to take text aggregation. I have 2, so for example, I don't know, 20, we press OK, it will calculate, so we will see if it will be fast. You will see, as I mentioned, the Discord, so you can join. I put some trades, some my personal trades, and mostly from backtesting, but there is also my settings, so you can see it properly. Okay, so this is quite also always, it's scary, it's always scary, but what I want to just show you, you will just extend it, but what I want to show you is the exhaustion print. I don't know if it will be in some zone, but like this, it's not exhaustion print, but look, you have like a lot of buyers and sellers. I will extend it like this. It's a sell candle. Okay, so sell candles. You have 52 buyers, 300 buyers, 26 buyers, and here only 8. It's in 1545. I think it's 6th. Yes, 6th of December. 6th of December, 1635. It's this. I delete this. I go here, and it's this. candle 1545. It should be this, I think. Yes, this should be the candle. You can see it. So there are like 8 buyers, only 8 buyers in this comparison. It's here you can see it. Only 3 bought it. Only 3 people bought it. In the comparison of this 67, you have 185, 33, and only 3. This is weird. And see 500 lots or 500 contracts. Also look at this big, huge number, 140 against 6, 6, 11, 2, 1, and you have 140 and 500 and 600, almost 700. You don't have a delta, but this is a strong candle. 1 o'clock. It's this. It should be this. It's really massive. So yes, it's this candle. This candle is massive. So you want to wait to this, even if you just even if you trade it, from 15 minutes. You wait that the price stops in your zone. For me it will be 50%. You can enter from here, you place your stop above it, and you target the liquidity or what the risk to reward ratio you want, and you have it. But also, like you asked me what is relevant for me, also like a confirmation is relevant. 50 minutes, just look at this. You have also trap traders. 400 lots is lost, is trapped, is gone. So this is it. Thank you thank you for watching, that you watched it till here. You are a legend, because it will be a long video. So thank you. You just earned a lot of experiences, a lot of knowledge. So see you at the next trade, next setup. Thank you and bye bye.